F'Mejju li għadda, Lucia Tanti kienet iccelebrat gheluq snina fir-Renju Unit b'dan il-mod. Illum Lucia tinsab Malta għall-btala u qasmet magħna ir-raġuni wara d-deċiżjoni tagħha li tiċċelebra 80 sena b'qabża minn fuq ajruplan, ħolma li kienet ilha snin tberren f'moħħha.
I was looking forward to do something different when I was 80, okay? And I wanted to do something for the charity. I had 5 children, all of them they were scared, Mom, please don't do it. I said, more you telling me, more I'm going to do it because I love it. I'm a bit crazy person. I like speed, you see, and after this I'm going to do something else.
Ftit hawn nies pożittivi jħobbu l-ħajja daqs Lucia, iżda x'inhu s-sigriet tagħha biex tibqa' tgħix b'dan il-mod?
You want to do something, just do it. Go ahead and do it. You see, don't take any notice sometimes from people. They say, don't, because it's not worth it. You see, we have only one life.
Illum Lucia tinsab Malta għall-btala u qasmet magħna ir-raġuni wara d-deċiżjoni tagħha li tiċċelebra 80 sena b'qabża minn fuq ajruplan, ħolma li kienet ilha snin tberren f'moħħha.
2,300 we collect. I wanted to collect more than that, but it's better than nothing. My husband, he had prostate cancer. My sister, 6 years ago, she passed away with the cancer, and it really hurt me. Because of that, I want to do something for them.
Apparti mill-skydiving innifisha, Lucia użat din l-avventura biex tiġbor fondi għar-riċerka kontra l-kanċer. Terġa' tagħmilha l-skydive?
Yes, my children, they said, no, you're not going to do it again, Mom. But I said, you tell me that, but I am still going to do something funny. Because I want to do the zip, I think. You see? And
Zip lining?
Zip lining, yes, and probably I do it. Yes, or something different, which I know I can collect a lot of money for the charity.
Lucia, illi hi nanna ta' 18 tifel u tifla u bużnanna ta' 3, ilha tgħix l-Ingilterra sa mill-1962. Iżvelat magħna illi diġà qed taħseb biex terġa' tagħmel sfida oħra. Robert Cremona, Net News.